Hey guys, welcome back to Redneck Garage. I know you guys have been waiting for this one so long. So, today's video, we're going to have two videos. We're going to split this up. For those of you who already know how to get the clutch cover off, there will be a second part on how to tune the clutch and what you need. So, first part is going to be how to get it off and how to put it back on. Second part is going to be how to tune it. What do you need? What parts? How do I know how to set it and what my settings should be? We're going to cover all of that. So 2 parts, maybe 3 depending upon how long. So the tools you're going to need for this job is a big Ugga Dugga gun. Yes, I went and bought one. And we'll go through the tools as we go. But you're going to need some axle nut sockets. I'll show you as we go. And you're just going to need some regular sockets. So let's get started. I already went through and broke all these bolts loose. Now I'm going to use my small Ugga Dugga gun, wherever it's at, and get the rest of them loose. So without further ado, let's get started. You want to look at this real good. Make sure it's good to go. We're going to clean this. I'm just going to spray it out with some compressed air. Now at this point, you want to make sure there's no play in your clutch. But let's get this out of here. So you're going to need a 32mm socket. And you're going to want to use an Ugga Dugga gun. And you're going to need a 36mm. Alright, we had a little bit of a fight with it, but we got it off. So I guess we really do have to get this box all the way out of here. I think his gun's about had it. It's old. Oh, not what I wanted to do. I know what it looks like in there. So we want to take a look at this belt, and we want to make sure it goes back on the way it came off. Should be an arrow, but as long as we put it back on just like that, we'll be okay. Yes, there's arrows. So you want to make sure your arrows are facing this way. So let's lay this down and put it right here. It looks good. I'm not going to replace it. I mean, it looks darn good. Okay guys, so we had to cut a zip tie down here and move the hoses and cables out of the way, and then you pull it straight out. It comes right out just like that. And in one of these holes there's threads. You want to put a bolt in there about yay long, and it pushes out the clutch, so you can get them hoses and stuff in between there. Plus installing it to get your belt in there helps. We're going to take our belt, got it, we got him. We can put our nut back on. So guys, we're going to put a little bit of grease on this bolt so it doesn't get stuck ever. And we're going to put a little bit of blue. This is blue Loctite. Just a little bit, not too much. That way it doesn't back off either. As for this clutch, you just take her, put her on like so. Got her. Shoot. We get our lock tight. Now you just twist her until that belt gets to where she's got to go. And then you put the cover on, guys. That's simple enough. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.